Hey guys, it's Jess. So I got a package from Merit, and Merit is a clean, vegan, cruelty-free company that makes makeup products. So I'm just gonna open it up, see what I got. Okay, the first thing I got is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. The packaging is really nice and simple and minimalistic. See, look, this is what the stick looks like, and this is the color that I got. So I'm not really sure if this is going to be my exact color because there's a bunch of different shades to choose from online, but we're gonna work with it. And then I got this little flush balm, and this is in the shade Cheeky, and I thought it was like a nice warm look, a nice warm rosy look. So I've seen people on Instagram and stuff like use these two products and then they're out the door, like as far as face goes. And yeah, so I'm gonna try this out using only these two products and see what we can do. So I prepped my skin with the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and this is amazing stuff. Works on all types of skin, no matter what kind of skin you have. Mine's like combination, oily to like dry, but like obviously in the middle. Okay, so let's start out with this foundation stick. But let's see, it's not marketed as a foundation stick. It's a perfecting complexion stick. So I've seen people go like around their nose and like under their eyes, just any place you would put foundation or concealer. So I think that's good, and from the looks of it, it looks kind of like it'll blend well. So I'm just gonna take my ring finger and pat in where I put the product.
Just see how it blends.
So this obviously is like a first impressions. I haven't tried this before. Nice coverage. Blends really well. I think that looks great. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Cheeky Flush Balm. Just gonna, ooh, that looks nice. Even put some on my nose, and even put some on my lips. Ooh, that's really nice on the lips, actually. Ooh, it feels really nice too. It's nice and soft. I'm just gonna blend this out. Sorry if you could hear my space heater. Okay, so maybe I brought it down a little bit too low, but as you can see, you could just, I have a napkin right here. Jeez, spacer is supposed to be like quiet. Okay, let me just dab. Get some on my nose. That looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna even take some a little higher. And then just blend that. All right. What do you guys think? Now all I have to do is add eyebrows and mascara, and it's a fresh look. But one thing I'm noticing, I just need to add a little bit more down here because you can still see my bags. Okay. So obviously this is very buildable, so you could add more as you need. I think it looks so nice. And guess what? For the cold girl makeup look, this blush is perfect for that whole look. If you guys are interested in these products, I will leave a link down below so you can check them out. And they're really good for, you know, easy on the go, throw them in your bag, like not much to pack. If you're going like on a trip somewhere, your bag won't be bulging. All right, I also want to say thank you to Merit for sending me these products. They're great, and like as I've gotten older, I've gotten very like minimalist with my makeup and like what products I use. So yeah, again, thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.